This 2018 Keystone Bullet 220RB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 26 feet 1 inch in length and features sleeps 4, auxiliary battery, stovetop burner, smoke detector, spare tire kit, air conditioning, TV, microwave, refrigerator, LP detector, oven, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Keystone Bullet 220RB is 4,776 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.